welcome to my channel. I'm Marissa Roberts from Beautifully Organised. I'm a wife, a stay-at-home mum of two, and a YouTuber. I love to make videos about homekeeping, motherhood and parenting, cleaning, decluttering, organising, living a simple life, and so much more. I'm Australian and I like to keep it real, so sometimes you'll see videos with me in makeup and my hair's done and they're edited and cute videos, and other times you're just gonna see videos of me that I film on the go while I've got messy hair and no makeup on. Things can get a little random here, but I figure it's just like everyday life. Sometimes we have days where we're beautifully put together. Sometimes we have days where we barely make it through. I'd love to get to know you better too. So please subscribe to my channel, hit thumbs up on the videos that you like, and leave me a comment whenever you watch one. I hope you stay for a while and watch a few videos, and make sure you say hi on the next one that you watch so I can head on over and say hello back to you. Okay, that's it from me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.